Watch thousands of starlings create impossible aerial dances in perfect synchronization. No leader, no central command, just pure emergence. Scientists just discovered your brain works exactly the same way, and it's completely destroying everything we thought we knew about intelligence, personality, and mental health. This entangled brain revolution isn't just rewriting neuroscience, it's the discovery that literally created artificial intelligence and could transform how we treat depression, anxiety, and addiction forever. Here's what blew scientists' minds. When you focus on a single starling, it's just following simple interactions with its closest neighbors. But when thousands do this simultaneously, impossibly complex, coordinated dances emerge. No starling knows the bigger pattern, yet together they create something that seems intelligently designed. Your brain works exactly the same way. For over a century, scientists tried to map mental functions to specific brain regions, like finding the fear center or language area. They thought if they understood each brain organ, they'd solve the puzzle of consciousness. But they discovered something revolutionary. Every brain region is constantly interacting with countless others in an incredible network of connections. When you think, feel, or make decisions, it's not one brain area working alone, it's thousands of regions creating emergent intelligence through simple interactions, just like those starlings. This completely destroys the myth of left brain versus right brain personalities and shows why horoscope-style brain typing is scientifically worthless. This discovery is revolutionizing how we understand psychological conditions, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. Traditional thinking said, fear is just the amygdala. Depression is just serotonin deficiency. Addiction is just dopamine excess. Wrong. Scientists now know these conditions are products of complex interactions between many different brain regions. They're breakdowns in the brain's symphony, not problems with individual instruments. Depression isn't a simple chemical imbalance. It's when the harmonious connections between brain networks fall out of sync. Anxiety isn't one overactive region. It's when the orchestra of your mind loses its rhythm. This explains why people experience these conditions so differently and why one-size-fits-all treatments often fail. Your brain isn't designed like an engineering system to solve single problems. It's designed to adapt to life's constantly changing complex needs. Every part of your brain can master different tasks when needed, which means you're not trapped by personality types or limiting labels. Here's the incredible part. This entangled brain discovery was the starting point that made artificial intelligence possible. Scientists realized that intelligence doesn't come from complex individual components, it emerges from simple interactions between many basic units. This insight led directly to artificial neural networks. AI works just like your brain and those starlings. Millions of simple artificial neurons making basic connections that somehow produce intelligent behavior. Without understanding brain emergence, we never would have created AI. But here's the most empowering revelation. Because your brain is a constantly transforming network rather than fixed hardware, you can literally rewrite your mental symphony. Through new habits, perspectives, and interactions, you're not stuck with whatever personality or mental patterns you have now. If you liked the video, don't forget to press the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Think of yourself as the conductor of a constantly transforming orchestra rather than a prisoner of fixed brain regions. The starlings don't know they're creating art, they're just following simple rules. Your neurons don't know they're creating consciousness, they're just making connections. But together, they create the most complex phenomenon in the known universe, you. This isn't just a scientific breakthrough. It's a complete revolution in how we understand intelligence, treat mental health, and build artificial minds. Are you ready to embrace your role as conductor of your own neural symphony? What mental patterns are you going to rewrite next? Let me know in the comments.